if today's Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. But I know this place looks like a bomb went off. But I wanted to bring you and show you today's laundry day. So there's some dirty clothes. I've got the washing machine set up on a cutting board in the bathtub so that it can drain, because I'm at an RV park and I have access to sewer and water. So I've got the washing machine loaded with a couple pairs as well. I think there's 4 pairs of jeans in here and a couple washcloths. Right now I'm just waiting for the hot water heater to heat the water up so I can start them washing. And then when they're done, I will hang them outside or something. But this thing dries really well. Well, it doesn't dry, it spins. And I know when I tested it, I washed a big beach towel and washed it and spun it, and then I hung it out in my backyard, and it took about 10 minutes for it to dry completely. So it really does do a good job of spinning them dry. So yeah, I've got it all set up. I'll set the timer for the wash and standard load, and then I'll set the timer, and then I'll fill it up with the hose from the shower and let it agitate for a while, and then switch it over to the drying side or spinning side. Yeah. Anyway, I will bring you along for the excitement. Who knew laundry day could be so much fun? This is about 6 minutes into washing. And again, see that ball? That's a crystal wash ball. And you don't need soap. And it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. So it's got 6 more minutes, and then I'll do a spin cycle, and then I'll do a couple of rinses and stick it in the spinner to dry it. And I'll bring back. In the meantime, I'm just sort of, I never stop. I think I'm driving Judy crazy. Reorganizing, you know, like the shakedown trip, just putting things in better places, finding things that just aren't working. I had 2 ice trays for the freezer, but who puts ice in their wine? So I put the ice trays away. They were just in the way. Anyway, I got this up. I think I showed you the other day. My friend Cindy's husband, Chuck, helped me put that up. Well, technically he did it. And then he also put up this shelf, which I think I told you before in a previous video that I had cut this off. It was a larger shelf that held a TV over on that side of the TrailManor, and I cut it off and I reattached the brackets to it. And Chuck had this dowel that he cut off for me, so I can hang a towel here, and my paper towels, this thing doesn't wiggle and come out, and it's great, you know, to have the paper towels right there over the sink. It's a bit of a reach, but hey, it works. And then the shelf accidentally ended up being the perfect height for me to store my coffee pot up there, which is fantastic because it gets it off the counter. And usually all this stuff isn't here. This is out because I got a new barbecue, which I think I sort of showed you in a previous video. I'll get it out today and show you. But the grill on it is cast iron, so I have to season it. I opted to just put 1 pair of jeans in there at a time to spin. It's spinning right now. It's really quiet. So when I take this pair of jeans out, I will show you. Pretty quiet. Okay, it's done with the wash, and in doing the laundry the first time, I had initially put 4 pairs of jeans in there. I'm gonna sneeze. Okay. I had initially put 4 pairs of jeans in the washing machine, and it just, I think it was just too much. So I took 2 pairs of jeans out, so there was 2 jeans, and I put 3 or 4 lightweight shirts in there. And then I washed it for 15 minutes and then I drained it. And now it's filling up with water again so that I can do a rinse. And then I'll stick them over here in the spinner. So I'll bring you back when I start spinning them. And then I'll bring you back again when I hang them up so you can kind of see how well the spinner works to dry things. I just stuck another load in. And again, that grinding is that wash ball. And I'm getting ready to pull the jeans out. They're getting there.
Yep. And this is the perfect day to do it.
I know, it's beautiful. What I've done so far. They're just all over the place. A load in here to be washed, and a load of towels right there. I did have clothespins and a clothesline. So next time I do laundry, probably be boondocking somewhere. Maybe, I don't know. And I'll do my clothesline, but I wasn't sure if this park allowed that or not. I don't know. Okay, so it took about 2, maybe 3 hours, I guess, to do the laundry because you have to do small loads. But this little guy here was the best thing I ever bought. The clothes are drying so fast outside in the sun because this thing spins like crazy. It's spinning right now. I don't know if you can hear that. But everything comes out so clean, so dry. It doesn't get crunchy when you dry it outside. I love it. So, highly recommend getting it. Got it on Amazon, and it's, there's the tag. Yeah. Anyway. Best thing I ever bought. Okay, so that does it for today, I think. Just got to finish drying the clothes outside in the sunshine, which is nice. And then, I don't know, maybe go for a walk later. I'm not sure. Toodles.